So today's lesson is, what is my name? It has been written by Satyavati. It was originally a Telugu story. Okay, it was a Telugu story, and it has been translated in English, and it is so beautifully expressed. And I won't tell you the theme of the story or anything. Let's start the story directly. Okay? So can you all hear me? What is my name? A young woman, before being a housewife, a woman, educated and cultured. She's got a good culture. And intelligent. She's intelligent. And capable. She can achieve anything. She can do anything. Capable. Quick-witted. Quick-witted means very humorous. You understand? Quick-witted. She can crack nice jokes. She can be very, quick-witted. Intelligent humor is called wit. What is the meaning of wit? W-I-T. Intelligent humor. Cracking nice jokes and not teasing humor, but intelligent humor. Okay? She's quick-witted also. With a sense of humor and elegance. She's elegant. She's not clumsy. She's elegant. She's got a sense of style. All this she is. Got it? All this she is. A young woman, before being a housewife, a woman, educated and cultured, and intelligent, and capable, quick-witted, with a sense of humor and elegance. Falling for her beauty, and intelligence, as also the dowry which her father offered. All this came as a package to this boy. Falling for her beauty and intelligence, as also the dowry which her father offered, a young man tied the 3 sacred knots. So in our Andhra Pradesh, we tie 3 sacred knots in Hindu marriages around her neck, made her the housewife to a household, and said to her, "Look, Ammudu." Ammudu means in Telugu, you know that. Yeah. In tenderly you call Ammudu. "Look, Ammudu, this is your home. Look, Ammudu, this is your home." Then the housewife immediately pulled the end of her sari, tucked it at the waist, and swabbed the entire house. Swabbed means clean. S-W-A-B-B. The love she had for, this is my home. She took it as her home completely. And swabbed the entire house and decorated the floor with muggulu designs. Muggulu. So in Andhra Pradesh we have this muggulu. With the chalk powder we make nice, or even with color, we make outside the house we make lovely designs. She did all that. The young man promptly praised her work. Promptly. "You are dexterous at swabbing the floor." Dexterous means very skilled. Dexterous means very skilled. It's a very beautiful word. Dexterous means very skilled at something. Some people are dexterous with so many things. He is dexterous with the keyboard, which means very skilled. The young man promptly praised her work. "You are dexterous at swabbing the floor. Even more dexterous in drawing the muggulu. Sabash, keep it up." So he praised her. He said it in English. He didn't tell it in Telugu, in the mother tongue. He said it in English, giving her a pat on the shoulder in appreciation. Overjoyed. She was so happy. Overjoyed. The housewife began living with swabbing as the chief mission of her life. You saw the humor here? With swabbing as the chief mission of her life. So the cleaning of the house became because of the encouragement she got, she became expert at it. And it became a mission in her life. She scrubbed the house spotlessly clean at all times and beautifully decorated it with multicolored designs. So here the author is trying to show the irony. She was quick-witted, capable, everything. But finally, what did she start her life with? Swabbing the floor. That's how her life went on, with a sumptuous and ceaseless supply of swabbing cloths and muggu baskets. Got the idea? Got the humor here? So what did she get? So many baskets of muggu. Because she was always doing that. And ceaseless supply. Ceaseless. Cease means stop. Ceaseless means doesn't stop. Ceaseless supply of swabbing cloths. The cleaning cloths, she got many. And what else she got? Baskets of muggu. Muggu means that colored thing, okay, or a white thing by which you can make decorations. But one day, while scrubbing the floor, the housewife suddenly asked herself, "What is my name? What is my name?" The query shook her up. The query means question, shook her up. Leaving the mopping cloth and the Muggu basket there itself. She left the mopping cloth and the Muggu basket there itself. She stood near the window, scratching her head, lost in thoughts. What is my name? What is my name? The house across the road carried a name board. Mrs. M. Suhasini, MA, PhD, Principal, Ex-College. Some college. The opposite house. Okay. The house across the road carried a name board. Mrs. M. Suhasini, MA, PhD, Principal, Ex-College. Yes, she too had a name as her neighbor did. How could I forget like that? In my scrubbing zeal, zeal means enthusiasm. He did the work with a great deal of zeal. See, how did you make all this? Open classroom. How did you make it? With a great zeal, right? With a lot of enthusiasm. So zeal means what?
Enthusiasm.
Right. In my scrubbing zeal, in my enthusiastic zeal to scrub, I have forgotten my name. What shall I do now? Humorous way of telling. Are you getting the humor? I will not explain it. The housewife was perturbed. The housewife was perturbed. Perturbed. Perturbed means confused. Worried. Perturbed means confused and worried. Her mind became totally restless. Her mind became totally restless. Somehow she finished her daubing for the day. Swabbing, daubing, same word. D-A-U-B is clean. Meanwhile, the maid servant arrived. Hoping at least she would remember, the housewife asked, "Look, Ammai." Ammai. In Telugu, Ammai means, "Hey girl, look, do you know my name?" "What is it, Amma?" said the girl. "What do we have to do with names of mistresses? You're only a mistress to us. The mistress of such and such a white-storied house. Ground floor means to you. White-storied house, mistress. She has no name." "Yes, true, of course. How can you know?"